Hey everyone, want to speed up and secure your website by integrating Cloudflare with Hostinger hosting? Stick around and I will show you step by step how to do it. Integrating Cloudflare with Hostinger offers enhanced speed, security, and reliability. It reduces load times by serving content from the closest data center and protects your site from DDoS attacks. Let's get started. First, go to Cloudflare's website and sign up for a free account. Enter your email and create a password. Then check your email for a verification link and confirm your account. Log into your Cloudflare dashboard and click Add Site. Enter your domain name and click Continue. Now choose a Cloudflare plan. The free plan is great for most websites, but you can upgrade for extra features. Select your preferred plan and click Continue. Cloudflare will scan your domain's DNS records automatically. Review the records and make sure everything is correct. You should see an orange cloud next to records you want Cloudflare to handle. Click Continue when you are ready. Now let's point your domain to Cloudflare. Open your Hostinger account, go to Domains, select your domain, and find the Name Servers section. Cloudflare provides two name servers. Copy them and paste them into Hostinger's name server fields. Replacing the existing ones, click Save to apply the changes. Go back to Cloudflare and click Done. Check name servers. It may take up to 24 hours for changes to propagate, but usually it's much faster. Cloudflare will send you an email once it's done. To ensure your website is secure, go to SSL or TLS settings in Cloudflare and select full strict if you already have an SSL certificate. Otherwise, choose flexible to avoid issues. Next, enable always use HTTPS to force all traffic to be encrypted. For an easier Cloudflare setup, install the Cloudflare plugin on your WordPress site. In WordPress, go to Plugins, then Add New, search for Cloudflare, then install and activate it. Log in to your Cloudflare account, go to My Profile and find your API key, copy it and paste it into the Cloudflare plugin settings in WordPress. Click Save API Credentials. And that's it, your domain is now integrated with Cloudflare on Hostinger, boosting speed and security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.